Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about circuit diagram, conductors, insulators, safety measures while handling electricity. So this is the part 3 of our chapter electric currents and circuits. And now let's start, and we will learn on the 4 topics given on the slide. First, we will learn about circuit diagram. The symbols given in the figure 1 are the types of symbols used to make electric circuit. The representation of an electrical circuit using symbol is known as circuit diagram. So this is the figure 1 on the left corner down. So there are some symbols. We will look at these symbols at the end of the slide. The circuit diagram for a simple circuit consisting of a bulb, a cell and a wire is shown in figure 2. So first let's see figure 1. So the components and symbols are given on two different sides of the table. So components, which is first switch. Like in part 2 we learned about what to switch. So like when switch is in open position, that means the switch is off, or then the circuit will be known as open circuit because the switch is open. So the symbol is given on the right. Switch closed, when the switch is like on and the electricity will flow, that the switch closed. The symbol is given on the right side. Then we have bulb. The symbol of bulb is different and easy to remember as there is a circle in middle and has a cross. And then we have battery. Battery is the symbols given on the right. And for cell, like cell, if we see, like it is just like the half of battery. So like if we see in the battery, there are two small lines and two big lines, which are two minus terminals, like two negative terminals and two positive terminals. Like that only, cell has just one positive and one negative terminal. Next, at the end, we have the connecting wire, which is just the straight line and easy to learn. And now there's a simple circuit diagram in figure 2. Let's see. So here in figure 2, we have used a cell, a bulb and connecting wire. All the parts are mentioned in the circuit diagram, and I hope these symbols and circuit diagram and one simple circuit is clear to you. Let's move on. So, so in this slide, we are going to learn about what is conductors. Materials that can let electricity pass through them are called as conductors. Every part of electric circuit has to be made up of conductors, otherwise electricity will not flow. Other examples of conductors are aluminium, silver, nichrome, tungsten, etc. Conductors like copper and aluminium are used to make electrical wires. Filaments of bulb. The wires in the switches, the plug points and ends of batteries are made up of conductors. So filaments of bulb, I have taught you about bulb and filament and tungsten metal in part 2 of our chapter. So I hope this slide is clear, and below given is a wire which which shows that it has copper on its end. Copper acts as a conductor as written in line number 4. So I hope this is clear to you, and let's move on to our next slide. In this slide, we are going to learn about insulators. So, materials like wood, rubber, glass, etc. These are few materials we have listed here. So, what are these materials? These materials do not allow electricity to pass through them. These types of materials are known as insulators. Insulators like plastic provide a protective coating to electrical wires. Some tools are used on electrical items like a plastic handler. These protects electrician from shocks. All gadgets running on electricity and have plastic or ceramic covering on them. So plastic and ceramic are again two types of insulators. So I hope this is clear to you, and below given is an image of a wire which shows insulator, and the insulator here is the plastic. In this slide, we are going to learn about safety measures while handling electricity. Electricity has many advantages but also has a disadvantage, which is it is dangerous. This advantage can even take lives of people. To prevent this, we have many safety measures. Let's see few of them. Never handle electrical gadgets with wet hands. Next is do not touch electrical poles on the street. So, like, we should avoid touching, and if by mistakenly we touch, avoid it to touch with wet hands. It's the same point as the first one. Don't play with plug points or bare wires. If plug point is broken, don't fix it by yourself. Call an electrician. Turn off a broken plug point using insulator like rubber, gloves, etc. Use fire extinguisher, not water, when fire is caused by electrical fault. So, on the right side, you can see there is a fire caused by an electrical fault in the wires. So, here we should not use water, we should use a fire extinguisher because water is a good conductor of electricity and it can cause more electrical problems. So now we are done with our all four topics, and last we are remaining with is the question time. So come on, I will give you 5 seconds for each question and read out each question for you. First question. The representation of an electrical circuit using symbol is known as dash. Dash. So the time for answer has ended and the answer is circuit diagram. Materials that let electricity pass through them are known as dash. So the answer will be conductors. Next question, third question. Conductors like dash and dash are used to make electrical wires. The answer is copper and aluminium. If your answer was any other metal or anything which is even a conductor and is a good source to make wires, electrical wires, then also your answer will be considered. Next question. Materials that do not let electricity pass through them are known as. So the answer will be insulators. Next question. Insulators like dash and dash provide a protective coating to electrical wires. The time for answer has ended and the answer will be insulators like plastic and ceramic provide a protective coating to electrical wires. If your answer is ceramic and plastic, that will be considered. Next question. Never handle electricity with dash hands. So the time for answer has ended and the answer will be wet hands. If plug point is broken, don't fix it by yourself, call and dash. The answer is electrician. Use dash dash when fire is caused by electrical fault. I can give you a hint for this last question, which is do not use water in this case. If you have any option, then you can consider as your answer, and the answer will be fire extinguisher. Use fire extinguisher when fire is caused by electrical fault. So this was all question time, and the question time is over. So the final topic, question time, is now over, and thank you everyone for your time. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my channel, share my videos. And one more thing, if you want any videos on specific topics, please let me know in the comment box. I will surely see your comments and work on your specific videos. Thank you and bye.